What is permanent is the inner being. Nama Nija Swarupa, which is there in all beings. The recognition of the inner being is what is discussed. Idra guna yenu anta. Naan yaru, nee yaru. But ಈ ಆತ್ಮದ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ. The ಜ್ಞಾನ about it. ತಮಸೋಮ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಗಮ. ನಾವು ಕತ್ಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬೆಳಕು ತಂದಿದಂಗೆ, when we are ignorant, we enlighten, we get to know, realize something. And when we realize the truth, that becomes permanent. The truth which is permanent. ಸತ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಅರಿವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಸತ್ಯ ಏನು? என்னுள்ளார உங்க உள்ளார இந்த இயற்கையில இந்த உலகத்துல இருக்க சத்தியம் என்ன? இது எப்போ ஒரு அறிவு இருக்கும், அப்போ ಮುಕ್ತಿ இருக்கும். ಇದು ಅರಿವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ the search is ended ಅಂತ. The search for myself is ended. ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಅಂತಿರೋದು ಅರಿವು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರ ತಂದು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್, ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್, ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಆರ್ ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಾಗ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಅ ಟೀಚರ್. So this teacher role is given to different people. Guru anta ikkottide. So now this teacher has to play this role. The Atman is the same. The teacher plays a role. So I am a role player. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಈ ಜೀವನದ ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಸೇ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾ என்ன சொல்லுவேன், is for your benefit. ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. I will never say anything which will hurt you or which will take you on the wrong path. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದಾರಿ ತೋರಿಸುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ. I will never teach, I will never say, never go into showing you a path for destruction where you hurt others. I might be doing so many things, but I will not teach you how to do those things. I will teach you only to do things which make you look after other people. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗುರು ಮಾತೃ ಪಿತಾ ಅಂತ. ಏನಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತೃ ಪಿತಾನ ಏನ, ಮಾತೃನ ಯಾರು சொல்வாரு? Somebody, Vijay, can you unmute yourself?
Amma.
Namaste, Guruji. One who cares for you, Guruji.
Because when I asked some people, no, they said that's Sanskrit, so that's why you're the Pandit in Sanskrit, so I'm asking you. So Matru means who?
One who cares for you.
No, but besides everybody cares, but who is Matru?
The one who gives birth to your physical body, who cares for you, who nourishes you.
See, this is what happens in intellectual. A Matru is who?
Matru is a mother, Guruji.
So a mother nurtures the baby. You know, in her womb, he nurtures the baby for 9 months and brings that baby into the world.
Kiran?
So that's the role that the father has to play, the guru has to play. To nurture you, to look after you, to see that you are delivered in the most ideal way. Not for herself, but for the world. You are going to be you. ನೀವಾಗಿರ್ತೀರ, ನಾನಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರೋ ಜೀವನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. So you did not exist in any form, and the mother has brought you into the form, and delivered you to the world. ಹಂಗೆ ಈ ತಾಯಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಿತಿನಿಂದ ஏதோ ஒரு சூழ்நிலை, அந்த ஏதோ ஒரு இது சூழ்நிலை அந்த காலத்துல இருந்து சிச்சுவேஷன் சூழ்நிலை சிச்சுவேஷன், அந்த சூழ்நிலை எங்க எனக்கு யாரு நான் என்னன்னு தெரியாதுன்னு இருக்கிறது. அந்த நேரத்துல இருந்து நான் யாருன்னு இருக்கிறது ஒரு உருவம், அந்த ಉರುವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಎದ್ದು வரணும். ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಅಂತಿರೋ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮಾತೃಪಿತ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತೃ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಆ ಕೆಲಸ. ಇಸ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ದ ಗುರು ಟು ಡೆಲಿವರ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ತಮಸೋಮ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಗಮ, ಟು ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಹೂ ಯು ಆರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಪಿತೃ is who? Matrupita. I won't go into too many details, but briefly, because the time is less. And
Father.
Matrupita and Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. Last time heard it. This time we'll take Matrupita. You are Pitan Yaru, father. So your father also has a responsibility to earn for the family, to look after the thing, to head the family. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡಿಸಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ದಾರಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, to say I'm there, to guide the whole family, to look after the family, to be a caretaker of the family. What does he need? Nothing. What does he get? Maybe blames, maybe requests, maybe yelling that you didn't do your job properly. Maybe so many things. But what does he have to do? To care for you, even if he is not cared for. To carry you through. He has to do this Pitru job. If you are in trouble, he has to give his life to save you. Whoever it is in the family. So in the family, that's why I said, as a father, I'm willing to die for you, to look after you. I don't need to live. I need you to live. That's the role of the Guru. He doesn't have to live. He wants you to live. ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ನೀವಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ದುಡಿಯೋದಾರಿಗೆ for the family, to earn, I learn for the family. not for himself. ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಅದು ಒಂದು ತಂದೆ ಕೆಲಸ, ಫಾದರ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಅಪ್ಪ வேலை உங்களுக்காக எது பண்ணணும். He may not get blame, he may not get praise. He will be told many times, like when the child does not eat, the mother will say, eat, otherwise I'll tell your father, because he's a rowdy. He will come and get angry with you. When she wants the son or the daughter to do something, she'll always say, be careful. Your father is a gunda, so I don't want him to do this. So he takes the blame for everything so that you can be rectified by the mother. ತಾಯಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ತಾಯಿ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಮೇಲೆ ತಂದು ಇದಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಪ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಬಡಿತಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಮಗುಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕ್ರೂರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕ್ರೂರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತಿರೋ ಏನು ಟೈಟಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಅಪ್ಪನ ಕೆಲಸ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ತಾಯಿ ನೋಡಿರ ಎಂತ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡೋಳು ಅಂತ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ತಾಯಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ ತಾಯಿ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದಿರು, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದಿರು ಅಂತ ತಾಯಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ. The father will always praise the mother. Since she's your mother, respect her, look after her. So the father is the one who is giving things away, who does not expect to be praised, who not praised. He'll always take the blame and the thing. So the children might think the father is a very cruel person. But with all the thing, whatever he feels, he has no opportunity to say. ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. That again is the role of the guru. A guruಗೆ many people may not appreciate him. They'll curse him, saying, what do you think you are? Who said that you are an enlightened person? You know what rubbish you do? You know how terrible you are? ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಈ guru, as a matru to care for you ಇರಬೇಕು, as a pitru to take the blame ಇರಬೇಕು. Besides that thing, what else you should do? Bandhu Sakha. Bandhu ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Relative. Sakha ಅಂದ್ರೆ friend. So ನಾವು as a relative also ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಾಕಿ ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರು ವಚಾರ, ಮನವಾಳ್ ವಚಾರ, ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಲ್ವ, ಹಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಾರಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಒಂಥರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ತರ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ನೆಂಟರು, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ. ಐ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ರೋಲ್. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್, ಆಸ್ ಅ ವೈಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ರೋಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಏನೇನೋ ಇದೆ. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ சொந்தக்காரன். அந்த சொந்தக்காரத்துல நிறைய பேர் இருக்காரு. ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ, ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ, ಇದು ಅದು ಇದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ, ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾವು ಮೈದ, ಬಾವು ಮೈದ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಈ ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಇದೆ. Every role is specified. And the guru has to recognize, he will take all these roles. That I will be all these roles. That I got nothing there. He doesn't own the other person's property, other person's children, nothing. He's a relative. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನಿಮ್ಮವ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, oh, you're my brothers, my husband, sisters, brothers, cousins, all relatives. ಹಂಗೆ I'm one of those people. ಅಂದ್ರೆ some people may not recognize ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Then I'll have to say, see your mothers, sisters, cousins, brothers, uncle, ನಾನು ಅಂತ. ಹಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದಿನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. All those roles, whoever those people are, all those roles the guru has to play. So he can be things, he might be unknown, so he might be in a corner. ಯಾರು ನೀವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. And in all those roles, he is looking after you. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Again, what else is the role? Sakha, like a friend. Whenever something has to happen, don't worry. Hey, Band, your friend is the only one you can ask him to shut up. ಬಾಕಿಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು shut up ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Anybody else you ask them to shut up, they get angry. Your friend, you can say, shut up, get up, get out of this. Why are you troubling me today? Today, trouble, later, okay. So ಹಂಗೆ immediate change ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. You can curse a friend. The friend can curse you and you won't bother. Hey, ಎಂತ ಮುಟ್ಟಾಳ ಕಣೋ, ಹೇ ಕಳ್ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮಗನೇ, ಏನೇನೋ ಬೈತಾರೆ. But he is your friend. So in your friend, you can get along with him. What a rascal you are. So the other person a rascal andre bada kopa bandbidutte. Stupid bada kopa bandbidutte. But with a friend, it's okay. He knows your pitfalls and you know him and he knows you. You are together. That's again the role of a guru. One day, so he should be able to take the cursing and thing and live with it. He can also yell back at you. Just as a guru, don't think he won't yell back. As a Bandhu Sakha, he'll yell back, but you may not realize it. Just sit down quietly. You cannot smile, you cannot laugh, you cannot jump, you cannot cry, you cannot belch, you cannot sneeze, you cannot cough. ಹಿಂಗೇನೇನೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I don't want to say more things. Because I remember Swami Geetananda would give an example. He went to Australia, it seems, for a talk and discussion. He lived in somebody's house. ಯಾರೋ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಗೀತಾನಂದ ಅಂತಿರೋರು ಅವ್ರು ಒಬ್ರು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು. நீங்க உங்களுக்கு சொல்லியிருக்கேன் கீதானந்தா யாரோ ஒருத்தர் கூப்பிட்டாரு, அவங்க வீட்டுல இருந்தாரு. ಅವರು ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಗ this little boy wanted to follow what all he does. So he went near the toilet. The toilet ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು the toilet போயிட்டு he was standing outside and waiting for him to come outside. Then after some time he ran to the daddy and said, Daddy, you know what? Our guru is in the toilet and he makes same kind of sounds that you make. So the child was surprised that a guru can make these sounds. Because he thinks a guru should be very quiet. No such rubbish. This is only my father can make any sound anywhere. Even a mother, if she has to do those sounds, will go quietly and do somewhere else. But the father is like anytime, anywhere. So he said, the child went and said, this guru is like this. That's what it is. So a guru has to play all these roles. What role he can't play as a husband to everybody or a wife to everybody. He cannot be everybody's wife. He cannot be everybody's husband. But he can be a brother, he can be a sister, he can be a father, he can be a mother. He can be anybody. He can be Bandhu, Saka, anybody else. The mother, the wife and the husband relationship is a totally different relationship. It doesn't come under the realm of Guru, Shishya, Guru and anything. So even if there are things like Ramakrishna Paramahansa or somebody else who is a Guru, his wife was the other one who says, okay, he's my Guru. And that Guru, between the husband and wife, the Guru Shishya relationship comes, that couple is totally different. It's not like the other couple. All that couple is totally different. And Guru Shishya இருக்கும்போது ஒரு கணவர் மனைவி இருக்கும்போது அந்த 2 பேர்ல குரு சிஷ்யா எப்போ வராது. வந்தோடனே வேற எல்லாம் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது. எப்படி பார்த்துக்குவாரு, எப்படி இருப்பாரு, எல்லாம் ஹோல் ஃபேமிலி சிஸ்டம். எனக்கு everything is a role in the world. Everybody plays a role in the world. A Maharaja plays a role, an officer plays a role, a policeman plays a role, a servant plays a role, everybody plays a role. And in that role, everybody is given rules and regulations. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಮಹಾರಾಜ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಗುರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. One is simply a role, but that role carries certain definitions. ಇವಾಗ I was talking about the definitions of the guru. ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, they differently. So the wife may not treat the husband as a guru. She might treat him as a servant or as a loafer or anything. It's left to her. The husband, how he treats the wife is also left to him. But as a guru and shishya, it's a different relationship. So the guru can look at the other person as a shishya, as another guru, as another father, another brother, another sister. Your guru bandhu saka. Guru can take different roles. So who is he? He is a noble. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. So he may play different roles. ಹಂಗೆ nobody playing all these roles is a guru. It's not that he becomes a person who's sitting on the chair and blessing people. It's one of the roles he plays. but the next moment he might be sitting at your feet and pressing your feet and looking after you. Other people might say, Baki Relbol, why do you do this? But when the Guru has realized it, he'll do anything. He can do anything. But he won't do anything to hurt you. He won't teach you anything that you will hurt other people. He won't teach you to destroy life. He will teach you to contain life. So he'll take other people's advice, he'll take other people's cursing, he'll take anything. He can react, but he will take, knowing deep inside that it doesn't matter. In a short while, he'll say, okay, get it. So he does not keep it in his heart. He does not keep it in his life. And I realize this, and so I carry this. I realize that I'm like a mirror in the world, like an image in the mirror. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಿರರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಲ್ಲ, the mirror, what you see in the mirror is not real. It's an illusion. Like that, I know that my role on earth is an illusion. That my real role on earth is somewhere deep inside to be of service to people, to keep a promise, to look after people, to say, how it is. And I keep that. Whatever way my father and mother differently, they never treated me or anything. They were very, 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 very kind to me. Like I always say, they are my greatest gurus. Same thing with my grandparents. So I never ill-treated my parents. I never cursed them. Whatever they said, whatever they did, I never raised, I never yelled, I never said anything to my parents. I knew whatever they said, so like that, I know that me, when I'm playing the role of a Matru Pita, I have to take it. And they said many things. So that was the thing. But then with a wife or a husband, it's a different matter. With even brothers and sisters, it's a different matter. I might quarrel with my brother might yell at me, my sister might yell at me, my thing. It is all a role that we take. My brother might be taking a role that is a total stranger. My unknown stranger can take a role that is my closest brother. So it's a role that people take. How they function in that role is left to them. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣನೋ ತಮ್ಮನೋ ಅಕ್ಕನೋ ತಂಗಿನೋ ನೆಂಟರೋ ಯಾರೋ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನೀ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದುಃಖ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ದಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ, ನನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣ, ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಭಾಗ್ಯರನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದುಃಖ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇದೊಂದು ರೋಲ್ ಅದು. ಆ ರೋಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ದುಃಖ ತರ್ಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ನೀವು ದುಃಖ ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ, ನೀವು ಕಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ, ನೀವು ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾಯಿಗೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ನೀವು ತಿಟ್ಟು ಗೌಜಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೀನಿ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ. ನೀವು ಬೈದ್ರೆ திட்டினாக்க ஒரு நாய் கூட அந்த நாய் கேட்காது என்றாக்க உங்களுக்கு கஷ்டம் ஆகும். ஸோ அந்த நாய் கேட்கணும். ஸோ நீங்க அந்த நாய் ரோல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது கேட்கணும். நீங்க அந்த பையன் ரோல் பண்ணும்போது கேட்கணும். அந்த வேற ஒரு இருக்கணும். பட் ஒரு தடவை ரொம்ப அதிகமா பண்ணாக்கா கொஞ்சம் சண்டை கூட போடலாம். ஏன்னா ஒரு ಬೆಕ್ಕು ನಾಯಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಕಚ್ಚತ್ತೆ, ಒಂಥರ ಇದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಗುರು ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮೆ ಯಾಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್, ಈ ಮೂನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಚಂದ್ರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, it does not have any brightness of its own. It's only reflecting the sun's jnana. So like that, the guru has to know that you, stupid fellow, you have nothing that you can claim. Nimgenu illa gotta. You are only giving something from the others, for the others. You know what you have to do. Ashtamata kodni. In how you have to behave, like a mirror. Henge ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸು ನೀನ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸು. ನೀನ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎತ್ಕೊಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಕಿರೀಟ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು I stand in front of the mirror and see myself, or you wear some clothes and see yourself. If you like yourself that way, you carry yourself. If you think I look stupid, you'll say, no, let me change it. ನಂಗೆ ಈ ಬಣ್ಣ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ನೆಕ್ಲೆಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕೂದಲು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮೀಸೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಗಡ್ಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Something when you feel it's not okay with me, then change ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Whether I'm a male, female, anything. The akara that I take, the bed that the body that I carry is another thing. Deep inside me, I'm not the body. I'm not this design. I'm not this dance. I'm not this drama. I'm somebody who's deep inside me who's got nothing. I'm emptiness. Now I carry a body. And the body has a role. I carry roles. And the roles have different rules and regulations. ಹಂಗಿರೋದು ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವೇನಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ದ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್, of who I should be, what I should think. How you carry it is left to you. Nobody can force anything. Like they say, you can take a horse to the river, but you can't make it drink of it. And there are so many quotations and so many good things that come. And I find that my Dharma Patni, the wife, sends so many quotations. So beautiful there. She collects it from somewhere and sends so many. And it's not a question that I'm not simply saying it for my sake. So many people who have seen it on the WhatsApp, and so many people have said, Auntie, please, why I think, no, she said, no, my phone is out of order, so I can't send. Other people send the thing also saying, Auntie, get your phone ready very fast so that we can listen to all these things. I don't send these messages because these messages are there, and then it's your messages. I repeat that thing sometimes, and sometimes when they say beautiful things, I'll say, wow, you said such a thing, beautiful thing. Whether they realize what I'm saying or not is a different matter. But my job is to appreciate other people. The only, like I said, as a mirror, my job is not to correct you, but to show who you are and to appreciate you in the way you are. So this job that I did, and ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಂಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ದುಃಖ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I seek, your pardon if I've hurt you in any of the things. And எதனா கஷ்ட கொடுத்திருந்தாக்க மன்னிச்சிடுங்க. అలాగా ఈ உள்ளார என்ன இருக்கு, நீங்க எல்லாரும் நல்லதா இருக்கணும், அபிவிருத்தி இருக்கணும், இது உண்மையான இருக்கு. நான் சொன்னதுக்கு வந்திருக்கேன். அதே இன்னொரு கொஞ்சம் நாள் எத்தனை நாள் இருக்குன்னு தெரியாது. அந்த குரு அந்த ஞானம் இருக்கும். உங்களுக்காக எப்பவும் வேலை பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பேன். இன்னும் நீங்க அற்புதமா இருந்தாக்க எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். அதுக்கு ஒரு ஆசிரமம் பண்ணிருக்கு. இல்லைங்க எனக்கு அந்த ஆசிரமத்துல நீங்க வரலாம் போகலாம். எப்படி நிறைய பேர் நீங்க கேட்டிருக்காரு, மாத்திரு பித்தான்னு இருக்காங்க. உங்க அப்பா வீட்டுக்கு போறீங்க இல்லையா, ನಿಮ್ಮ அப்பா ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ you can get in anywhere and sit down anywhere in your dad's and mother's place. But in another person's, in a brother's house or in a sister's house or in an uncle's house, in a grandfather's house or any other place, you have to ask for permission. Can I sit down here? Can I sleep here? Can I go to the toilet? The father, mother's house is a place where you can go anywhere, sit down anywhere. You have the key. Anytime you can open the house and get inside and come out. You don't seek permission to go there. Sange, a guru's house is there. A guru matru pita antidaga, bandhu saka antidaga. So in a friend's house also you can sit down there, you can put your legs up and kick it and you do anything. Sange is a guru. So ee guru nim jotegidare. I also saw and understand all these rules and regulations and put it into myself. Like everybody, I wonder, like I said in the thing, madhve agid takshana as soon as the husband and wife nintu idu ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. All the other people who come into the family photograph, everybody has a role. I'm the father's younger brother, elder brother, the elder brother's wife, younger sister's husband, something, they have all the roles. And everybody is thinking of the role and they're playing a game. So sometimes these roles match, sometimes they don't match. When the realization comes to you, then you know and let the roles be. When the realization doesn't come, then you feel hurt, you feel angry. It's okay to feel bad and okay to feel angry, but then don't carry it to the person. You know that that's a role. Get angry with the role, yell at the role if you want, but again say, I'm sorry, I yelled at the role. but I know that, you know, I still love you as a cousin, as a brother, as a sister, as any kind of thing, as a friend, as anybody. To a friend also, you might curse, yeah, something you say, and then again have a problem. But again, 2 days later, forget it, I say. And think you get together. Hange, you can always get together and create a wonderful world. That's the Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Because the Mrityorma Amritangamaya is in that nothingness, you and me and everything, all existence is one. So realize that oneness of existence and function in all the different levels. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhaya. Om sarvesham swasti bhavatu, sarvesham shanti bhavatu, sarvesham purnam bhavatu, sarvesham mangalam bhavatu. Shanti, shanti, shanti. I already see Veena Varuni getting ready for her Arpane. Dharmichan is getting ready for his Arpane. So now I'm handing over my position to Chandramouli. He is the Grihastha. He is the
Organizers, please give me 1 second for Ashirvada. 1 second for one person. Just no speech. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು